Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Wahl Cordless Senior Clipper. When it comes to professional fading, Wahl's 5-star Cordless Senior is just one of the few hair clippers you can count on to be fast, efficient, reliable, affordable, and a quality performer. To begin with, its powerful rotary motor delivers sufficient power and high amounts of torque. And this puts the Cordless Senior 8504 at the top of the list when it comes to cutting power and performance. Wahl's professional 5-star series Cordless Senior Clipper was designed to deliver the cutting performance that experts demand, specifically designed for traditional tapering and fading, precision fades and clipper over comb work, intended for professional use only. This clipper is designed to create seamless blends while hard or soft line fading with a lever that adjusts taper and texture. It's the ideal clipper for over comb work and for bulk hair removal. These features are housed in a high-impact, durable metal case. For your convenience, the American-made Cordless Senior Clipper comes with all accessories required for professional barber use. Package includes 3 premium metal clip attachment comb cutting guides, recharging transformer, styling comb, cleaning brush, clipper blade oil, red blade guard and operating instructions. Number 2 in this best clippers for fades list is Andis Professional Cordless Fade Combo. If you want to get a good fading clipper, and get a quality trimmer as a combo, then Andis Professional Cordless Fade Combo is the best choice for you. It only takes 90 minutes to fully charge its lithium-ion battery and delivers a whopping 120 minutes of runtime after that. It comes with adjustable surgical fade blades, that means that you get to enjoy more precision and ease when trying to cut a perfect fade. It's lightweight and designed to fit perfectly into your hands, providing an easy and comfortable grip. Our third choice is Wahl Cordless Magic Clip. When it comes to cutting awesome fades, the Wahl 5-star Magic Clip is one of the best clippers you can get. It is very dependable, flexible, easy to use, and convenient. This 5-star Magic Clip is a heavy-duty, adjustable 5-star corded, or cordless commercial-grade hair clipper meant for cutting thick hair and is perfect for blending and fades. The 5-star Magic Clip features high-precision, zero-overlap blades, a taper lever for easy fading and blending, and a lithium-ion battery for a 90-minute runtime per charge. The clipper, 8 attachment guides, charging transformer, styling comb, brush, blade oil, red blade guard, and operating instructions. Its impressive design makes it easy to grip and use over long periods. Both the Wahl Magic Clip Cordless Black and Gold come with a powerful lithium-ion battery that delivers up to 90 minutes of service when fully charged. The fact that this clipper is cordless means that you get the flexibility you need to fade hair from any angle. For details, let's watch more. Fourth pick in this best clippers for fades list is Andis Master Cordless Hair Clipper. The Andis Cordless Master Adjustable Blade Hair Clipper is exactly what you need. It's also a formidable fading clipper that's very fun to use. It is fitted with a powerful motor capable of delivering up to 7,200 strokes per minute with precision and efficiency. This clipper is quiet, lightweight, and impressively durable, and made using strong, high-quality materials. Not forgetting the fact that it comes with its own blade adjusting lever, making it ideal for all kinds of fades. The fact that this clipper is cordless means that you get to enjoy a great deal of freedom when working. For details, let's watch more. Our fifth and last choice is Oster Fast Feed Clipper. Silent operation, efficient clipping, and user friendliness, and these are just some of the perks you should expect when you buy the Oster Fast Feed. It's one of the best Oster fade clippers available on the market today. This awesome clipper is quite lightweight and does not heat up, not to mention the fact that it fits easily into your hands, making it ideal for long fades. This sleek, adjustable blade clipper works through cut after cut quickly and effortlessly with a powerful whisper quiet pivot motor. The Fast Feed clipper keeps noise level down and productivity up. Designed with a convenient, adjustable blade lever to change settings easily. It is ultra durable and built for long-lasting performance to provide years of use. The Fast Feed clipper is well known for its ergonomic design, powerful motor, durability, flexibility, and Cryogen X blades, all tailored to make fading hair fast and easy.